Ooh, that sun is bright. Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Kyle Walker, your Redbeard Bald Guy at Liberty RV, and behind me, I've got the Cherokee Wolf Pup 14BH, and it is the ultimate lightweight bunkhouse for families who just want to get away without hauling a big old monster behind them. So give me 90 seconds of your time. Let's go check this thing out. Come on. So just at 2,500 pounds dry and 21 feet long, this pup is towable by most SUVs and light trucks. No need for a big rig. Inside, you'll find double bunks for the kids, a queen bed up front, and add the kitchen with a fridge, two-burner stove, and microwave, plus a full bathroom with shower. And you've got everything you need packed into a small, easy-to-tow rig priced at just $11,988. It's the perfect transition from a tent into a camper, and it's proof that sometimes the biggest adventures come in the smallest packages. Redbeard Bald Guy approved.